Hello and welcome to Meisum, the paradigm shift. So glad to have you here
Yes.
in Meisum.
Hi. Hello.
Yeah, the band, the paradigm shift, formed by Atsa on drum and Razo on bass, Arepsen guitar, and then we have Chechamo on lead guitar and Chechamo, the frontman of the band.
Yes.
The band was formed in February 2019, though formed just 2 years ago. They were the winners of Zoommax 2019, winner of KYF National Battle of the Band contest, first runner-up of Powerchord Battle of the Band, first runner-up Rockville National Battle of the Band, winner of Presto Battle of the Band, winner of Octave Battle of the Band, sponsored by VH1 and MTV Beats, winner of Aventine Battle of the Band, winner of first IUN Youth Fest ICFAI, winner of first Arju Battle of the Band, co-sponsored by DAFMA, first runner-up of the second edition of Dimapur Youth Festival 2019, second runner-up Rythm and Aroma band contest at Guwahati International Youth Festival, Music Festival. And that was the time we met. So in just 2 years of your formation and 1 year being the lockdown, such a big accomplishment.
Yeah.
How have you guys done it? We'll start with this.
Okay. First of all, thank you so much for having us. It really means a lot to us. All right. Coming back to your question, I believe that we all came together in the right time for a reason, for a purpose. Also, the hard work. There are no shortcuts. There are no substitute to hard work. So like we were working hard relentlessly, like every day, and I should say like we were very consistent every day. And along with that, it is also the chemistry we share amongst us. Yeah, I think those are the main reasons behind all our accomplishment. And lastly, I should say that we always believe that God is always on the lead. Yeah, thank you.
And can you just throw a little bit of light on the name, the paradigm shift? Why the name paradigm shift?
Yeah, actually, the band's name has a lot of significance to relate to, as it is about an important change that happens when the usual way of thinking or doing is replaced by something new.
Yeah, when you said your name at the Guwahati International Music Festival, I was really like impressed with the name, and I said, "Wow, that's really lovely." And then comes the
Thank you.
Being a big fan of yours.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It really means a lot. Thank you.
And as I said, like within just a short period of time, you have accomplished, I mean, win so many competition, and then like of all the accomplishment thus far, individual as well as band, which one you guys think is the most important one thus far, and why?
Razo, you can take it from here.
I think that's a very tough question because it's just like asking the parent to choose their favorite among the children.
Yeah.
So likewise, all the achievements were equally important. So I think it would be difficult to choose this one.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, I'm sure all the like competitions that you won must have a special place for all of you, and then it's all of them are really significant, I can really say. Out of the 2 years of your band forming, and then like the only I can say is that 1 year was the only active year I can say, because last year was a lockdown through and through, like from March till now. So how you guys survive as a band there, and then how do you keep yourself up and keep the spirit high?
Yeah, last year was quite a tough year because the pandemic hit us really hard. And then like especially for musicians, because nothing was happening because it was all lockdown. But yeah, on the other side, the pandemic turned out to be quite relentless because we got more time to practice and then to hone our skills, and then to reflect on our music more. And then Yeah, everything happens for a reason.
Yeah.
And then, but no matter what, at the end, it's always the patience that keep us going.
Yeah, the passion. Exactly. Yes.
And Zaza, you also won like individual contests during the lockdown.
Oh yes, yes.
Yeah. A big shout out to the Zajamo
So,
guys. Come on.
Yeah. Yes. And today, the reason why we're here is because you released your first original music video.
Yeah.
And that was released on my birthday, 5th of February.
Wow.
That was my birthday.
Awesome. We didn't see that coming.
Yeah. And I really like the song and the video, and from the very first time I said I must reach out to you guys, because why not? We met in Guwahati, and then the song came, and I say no, I must reach out to you. So tell us about the making of this song. It has already like hit 57K in just 1.5 months. So tell us.
Yeah. Yeah. First of all, a big shout out to Meisum, our music producer. He is running a studio called the Infinite Record. He's from Kohima, and such an amazing guy. He's such a genius. But apart from being professional again, I think for us, like, he's one of the most nicest human being we have met, and like it's to work with him is so much fun. We were having so much fun out there. The teamwork was amazing. The chemistry was there, So yeah, we were really enjoying the whole process that time with Atta Mochen. We call him Atta. Atta in Lota means bro.
Okay.
Yeah, brother. We call it Atta. So yeah, a big shout out to that guy, and we are also missing him so much. We can't wait to get back to the again. So yeah, again, we are also very grateful to Udit Tanan from the Sand Production, our videographer. He's also an amazing guy, and we've been a fan of him from such a long time. So finally, to work with him was very honoring and humbling at the same time. And yeah, what was the light? The lighting. Headlights. The out loud. Yeah. Actually, they're all from Kohima. Okay, they're all from Kohima, and we the video was also taken at Kohima only. It was at the helipad. We called it Taklu ground.
It was amazing.
So I should say, we had a great team, and I think that what makes it special. We had a great team. The energy out there in the set was incredibly amazing. It wasn't like we were working, we were having so much fun, and yeah, we had an incredible experience, like the making of From the Ashes, from the top till the end. We had an amazing experience, and it is something that we're gonna cherish for our whole life. So yeah, thank you. And at the meantime, the best part is again, people are also receiving it very well, So overall, we are enjoying the whole process. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, as you said, everyone, not just the musicians, not just your band, but like those taking part in that production, amazing, because we can that's the thing that we wanted to share it to friends outside, Nagaland, outside Manipur, outside, Assam. I mean, we're just so proud to just share and say that, hey, this is music that our guys, are making. So, but like the song, the lyrics that says, take away my pride and put my shame behind, take everything that I owe to you, because I'm wide awake to see the change right in the face of the mirror. And then all the joy, tears, and the laughter embrace me from the inside out, and as I roll away from the past, my soul yearns to sing for more. I mean, the whole song, for me, it looks like a gospel song even. So whether this where you guys got the inspiration, and like tell us about the songwriting as well.
Yeah, actually, the writing process, I'm very grateful to the band because they gave me the opportunity to write the song. And actually,
That's
I should
amazing.
say,
Amazing song. Yeah.
yeah, yeah, people they're coming up with their own interpretation, which is great. Like you're also interpreting the song in your own way. You kind of feel like the song is gospelish, something like that. But I should say, this is a very like inspirational song, very uplifting song. So like metaphorically speaking, is all about like raising from the ashes, you know.
Yes,
So it's a
yes.
very uplifting song. The writing process, like I mentioned before, I'm very grateful to the band because when I wrote the song, I was trying to move on from a broken relationship, to be honest.
Mhm.
So I was so heartbroken at that time. So yeah, it was a very overwhelming process for me, and songwriting and music has always been very therapeutic for me. You know, it has always been the best therapy for me. So while I was writing the song, it I you know it I was being very honest to be, you know. Yeah, I was being very honest. I was very honest about every word that was pouring out of me, you know. And in fact, I was in the moment. I was flowing the moment. And I should say the whole process was quite liberating and empowering at the same time. So yeah, by the time I finished writing the song, you know, like well, by the time I finished writing the song, I was also very surprised to know that all four of them, they're also going through the same. So yeah, it was a surprise moment for all of us, you know. So yeah, we are really proud of that song because this song, like it's not only like lyrically but even musically, like we gave our all and being very honest. Yeah.
So as I said, your first original NV, that's a, I can say that's a big hit now. And then you have raised the bar for yourself and for all the other musicians as well, so high. Uh, People's expectation is going to be high, and for sure it's going to be really challenging to be on top of the game. How do you guys see yourself maybe 5 years from now, and any message that you want to leave for your fans out there?
In 5 years from now on, we will love to still make good music. And apart from that, we have our own whiskey that is to tour around the world.
Yeah.
Inspiring people.
Through music, and hopefully have a huge fan base all across the globe. And yeah, we just want to make this world a beautiful place, a better place through music. Yeah. So like you said, in 5 years, we would still love to see ourselves like making good music, still making good music, and not giving up. You know, yeah. That's it. We want to keep it very realistic.
Thanks so much, Atsa, Razo, Arepsen, Zaza, and
Yes.
Chechamo for speaking to Meisum, and wishing
A
you
pleasure.
all the very best. And to all the viewers out there, if you haven't seen the Rise from the Ashes, and you can check out the YouTube channel, The Paradigm Shift. Also follow them on Instagram, The Paradigm Shift, and you'll find amazing videos, and then you'll stay updated with their latest upcoming. So thanks The Paradigm Shift for coming to Meisum, and all the very best. Thank you so very much.
Yeah, thank you for having us. Thank you so much.
And down from the